animals are fun, big and small. Let's learn their names and hear them all. They jump, they swing, they moo or bark. Join us now, let's make our mark. Dog the brown pup goes woof woof loud. It wags its tail and stands so proud. It runs around to chase a ball. A friendly friend, come one, come all. Cat the kitten goes meow meow meow. It naps on windows, stretching now. With soft sleek fur and sneaky feet, it loves warm laps and curling sweet. Cow is big and moos all day. She chews her grass and loves to play. With swishing tail and spots so wide, she walks the farm with gentle stride. Elephant walks with a steady thump. Her trunk goes up with a happy jump. She sprays cool water in the sky, so big and kind and oh so high. Lion the king with the golden mane roars so loud across the plain. With powerful paws and steady eyes, he guards the land beneath blue skies. Frog goes ribbit near the stream. He loves the rain and grassy green. With bulging eyes and jumpy knees, he leaps through puddles and over leaves. Horse runs fast with clip-clop feet down the trail or city street. With shiny coat and flowing hair, he gallops free through open air. Hen goes cluck and lays her egg. She scratches dirt with dancing legs. She flaps her wings to start her song. Early each morning